Okay, good morning, grade 5 and 6. It's great to have you all this morning. My name is TK Sunday and we are going to be treating intervals and modulation. We have, I believe we had in our last class popular musician. So this week we are supposed to have a practical class where we learn some things about music that will help us to develop ourselves and interest and passion. Okay, so first of all, we are going to be talking about intervals and then modulation. We know the meaning and its relativity in songs being produced. Okay, so an interval in music is defined as the distance in pitch between two notes. Okay, I can recall in basic 5 and 6 we've done the major scales on PC. There are do, re, fa, sol, la, si, do, si, la, sol, fa, do. Okay, so the distance between the do to the re, that's an interval. Okay, to the mi, an interval like that. So an interval is the distance in pitch between two notes. Okay, so the larger the interval between the notes, the greater the difference in pitch. Example, from do to sol, it's a greater distance to compare to do, mi. Okay, so the larger the distance, the greater the difference in pitch. You cannot compare this, so it's higher in pitch. Okay, and also all right. Okay, now while treating interval, we will be talking about semitones and tones, whole step, half step, whole step, half step, semitones and tones. Okay, now a semitone, also known as half step, is the smallest possible interval in Western music, and it is the very next high or low note. For example, when we play this, the very high note to a C is a C sharp. So playing this, the very high note we play like that. This is a semitone, a half step. We play this, the very next high note is a C sharp. Okay, this is an interval of a semitone. Now we can go lower as well. This is an interval of a semitone backwards. Okay, now we could play this semitone, 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 half step, half step, half step, half step. All right. While a tone, also known as whole step, is an interval of two semitones. Okay, so while we play C sharp as a semitone half step, we would count two semitones to get one tone. We will count two half steps to get a full tone. So going by that, we will play this C, two semitones from C, C sharp, then D. This is a tone, a whole step. Two semitones, 1, 2, right there. We can also play backwards. Two semitone backwards, we get a whole step, a tone. 1, 2. We can also apply this to every key. Example, we are playing on F. Okay, so if you want to play a semitone, half step, the next high note, we play F sharp. Alright? The next high note, a semitone, we play G. Okay, now mark the G, because we are going to try to practice the whole step now, the tone. So playing from F, we are going to count two semitones from F to get a tone, a whole step, 2 half steps, F sharp, G, right there. Another full tone, G sharp, A. Okay? Alright, so this also is used in a major scale sequence. When we play re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. It has a sequence of tone, tone, semitone, that's whole step, half step, then tone, 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 semitone, whole step, half step. Okay, now we start. Excluding the roots, we play a tone, now a semitone, half step, the very next high, a tone, a semitone. So that's how we derive the major scale for each key. Now also let's play on another key. Let's say F sharp. Okay, now we play the first tone. Okay, next a tone, a semitone, a tone, a semitone. Okay, I believe you would understand maybe when you get a musical instrument. But the main purpose for this class is to talk about modulation. All right, how does modulation relate to intervals? Now let's start by defining a modulation. Modulation is described as a process where a piece of music changes from one key to another. Okay, very sure you must have heard something like this, but you wouldn't know actually what it means. When, example, we are singing a song, oh, and you are the mighty God, the great I am, hallelujah, hallelujah. All of a sudden you hear something like, oh, you are the mighty God, oh, the great I am, hallelujah, hallelujah. So I just modulated now a whole step, a tone. Okay, so I will be explaining all this in this class. Now, a modulation is a process where a piece of music changes from one key to another. Now, every piece of music you hear all over the world is composed on a key. Now, originally, sometimes, most times, these songs are actually started and finished on the same key. Artists, people don't normally do this modulation, but in the Western music, contemporary music, they add modulation to make it interesting and also to create some excitement at the end of a piece of music or in between. Alright, so we are going to be seeing one aspect of modulation which is called the phrase or abrupt modulation. Now, this is a sudden change of key in a song, a sudden change. Example, we are playing, oh, we all our hearts, we pray and ask, God bless Anambra, God bless the shining light that will bring, you are the only one, make us bright, you are the only one, to make us bright, you are the only one, make Anambra shine. A sudden change, okay? A quick change is called abrupt modulation. Okay, so now a phrase modulation or abrupt modulation often involves a key change that goes up a semitone or a tone. Okay, it involves a key change that goes a whole step or half step. Alright, so you will hear this in lots of popular songs, gospel songs, especially in our in our church service during a hymn session, you could hear the organist play something like, okay, basic five, yeah, we've done. Oh, praise the Lord, let the earth hear His voice. Praise the Lord, let the people rejoice. Oh, come to the Father, to Jesus the Son, and give Him the glory. Blessings here. Then the organist goes like, that. Okay. Okay. Doing this way, the organist has introduced us to a new key abruptly. You know, just suddenly he just brought us into a new key. So we hear this basically in our everyday pop songs. Okay. So we are going to. I'm going to have a practical session, and I would like you also to try and practice in any way you can. Okay, so we are going to do a song we rehearsed together in class, God of Everything. Okay, so I'm going to show, if you listen to the song, like the original song, there was a modulation in the song, so that's why I'm choosing that one. Okay, so the first and the last, the beginning and the end. He lives forevermore. No one else can compare to the great and mighty King, Ancient of days. The songs we sing, the air we breathe, it all belongs to you. Oh, God of everything, we praise your name, we shout for joy, and we say, God of everything, heaven and earth adore, the earth and all the moon will say, glory to the King, magnify His name, He is God, oh, and God of everything, heaven and earth adore, the earth and all the moon will say, glory to the King, magnify His name, He is God, God of everything. So I hope you get this video. I hope you listen and understand everything I've said. We are supposed to have our assignment on Onyeka when it's submitted. Okay, so I'm going to be needing you to make a voice note of the chorus. One love and keep us together. So I want to hear your own version. I want to hear your voice notes. Please send it to my DM on WhatsApp. My name is TK Sunday. Thank you for having me. I hope to see you guys very soon in school. Alright, so thank you very much. Bye for now.